Understanding, wanted by the police, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, wanted by the police. This expression is common in news reports, movies, and TV shows. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together, so you can understand and use this phrase correctly in English conversations. The phrase, wanted by the police, refers to a situation where the police are actively looking for a person. This can be due to various reasons, such as suspicion of committing a crime, the need to question them in connection with an investigation, or because they have escaped from custody. Being wanted does not always mean the person is guilty. It means the police have enough reason to talk to them or detain them for further investigation. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in sentences. After the bank robbery, the suspects were wanted by the police. She discovered that her neighbor was wanted by the police for questioning related to a recent theft. If you are wanted by the police, it's best to contact a lawyer and turn yourself in. These examples show the phrase used in different contexts, highlighting its versatility in conversation and writing. Understanding related terms can help you better grasp the concept of being wanted by the police. Here are a few. Arrest warrant, a legal document issued by a judge or magistrate that authorizes the police to arrest someone. Fugitive, a person who is running away or hiding to avoid arrest or prosecution. Person of interest, someone the police are interested in speaking with regarding a crime. It does not necessarily imply guilt. Knowing these terms can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of law enforcement-related discussions. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, wanted by the police. It's a common phrase with important implications in legal and everyday contexts. Remember, understanding these expressions can help you better comprehend English news, movies, and more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language learning videos. See you next time.